So the problem on the back of your second mastery quiz looks like a long one. It's got x squared plus 3x plus 9 plus 3x squared minus x plus 4. Over here I've written a really similar problem that we're going to solve together, and I'll explain to you what's happening. This problem also starts with x squared, and it also has another x squared somewhere in the middle. The trick here is to see those like terms, to recognize that x squared is a like term with x squared. It's totally different from these guys. That 7x and that negative 5x are not the same as the x squareds. And then of course we also have some numbers hanging out in here. This negative 2 and this positive 4 are constants. Look carefully so you can see the difference between our blue x squareds, the orange x's, and the red constants. Okay, here we go. I'm going to write the x squareds first. X squared and 3x squared. Then I'm going to write my x terms, 7x and negative 5x. Notice that those negative signs come with that 5. That's a negative 5 there. And here's our constant terms, negative 2 and positive 4. Now we get to add. This one's the easy part. X squared and 3x squared all together makes 4x squareds. There's one of them here. There's 3 of them there. Now there's 4 of them. Then we have 7x and a negative 5x. A positive 7 and a negative 5 makes a positive 2x. Last, we have a negative 2 and a positive 4. Negative 2 plus 4 is positive 2. Let me tell you what we did again. We first matched up the things, each of the terms. We had an x squared here and a 3x squared, and those got matched up. A 7x and a negative 5x, and those got matched up. The negative 2 and the 4 got matched up. These guys both have an x squared in them. These guys both have a plain x in them, and these guys don't have any variables at all. Then we added, excuse me, and added here, and added here. Alright, your turn to try this problem. It's just the same.